I have here some really tiny numbers that we're now going to write in standard form. So the first one that we need to write in standard form is 0.00290. So I'm going to write this as 2.90 times 10. And because we're going to be moving the decimal place to the right this time, it must have a negative symbol because it's a smaller number. And that's going to go 1, 2, 3 places. So this is 2.90 times 10 to the minus 3. The next one, the first number, is 8.85 times 10 to the minus something. And we're going to move the decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this one is 8.85 times 10 to the minus 12. And then the last example is going to end 9.11 times 10 to the minus. And we now need to move the decimal place 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 places. So this is 9.11 times 10 to the minus 31. So these are incredibly small numbers written now in standard form. And actually, as we go through the A-level course, you might start to recognise these numbers a bit more often. So the first one is actually a constant from Wien's law, and this actually would have the units of meter Kelvin. That's to do with like stars and luminosity and things like that. The next one is the permittivity of free space. So this one here, epsilon naught, is used when we look at electric fields. This one here is going to be used all the time, especially in year 12, when it comes to looking at things like the mass of the electron. So if this was written in kilograms, that would be the mass of one single electron. So these numbers here do have some importance, and they're going to be coming up all the time. So really, when we have small numbers, when they're written in standard form, we know they're small because there's going to be a minus symbol in front of this part here. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of the mini course, which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.